Ever feel like your Android phone is playing hide and seek with your incoming calls? Let's fix that right now. First, we'll dive into your device's settings. Tap on the Settings app, usually a gear icon. Now, find and tap on Apps, or it might be called Applications. This is where we manage all your installed programs. Look for the phone app, the one you use to make calls, and tap on it. Inside the phone app settings, you'll see an option for notifications. Tap on that. Make sure that Show Notifications is toggled on. If it's off, no wonder you're missing calls. Also, check that Allow Sound and Allow Vibration are enabled. Next, go back to the phone app's main settings and find Permissions. Ensure that phone and call logs permissions are allowed. If critical permissions like these are denied, your phone won't know how to properly display incoming calls. Sometimes, battery optimization can interfere with apps. Go back to your main settings menu and search for battery optimization or app battery usage. Find the phone app in the list and select Don't Optimize or Unrestricted. This ensures the phone app can run freely in the background without being shut down. Now, let's check your general sound settings. Go back to your main settings menu and tap on Sound and Vibration. Make sure your ringtone volume is turned up and that you have a ringtone selected. It sounds simple, but sometimes the volume can accidentally get silenced. If you've tried all these steps and are still facing issues, a simple restart can often clear temporary software glitches. Power off your phone completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. With these adjustments, your Android should now be reliably showing you who's calling, so you'll never miss an important conversation again.